Replacing the alternator on the 958 Cayenne S is not quick or easy. There's lots of work to do first and very little room to work. Make sure you give yourself lots of time for this job. Luckily, we have articles and videos on all of the work you need to do before getting to the alternator. Begin by disconnecting the battery. Do not attempt to replace the alternator while the battery is connected. Remove the engine panels. You are going to remove the right side air intake duct, but I recommend removing the whole thing. This is going to give you much needed room to work. Release the tension on the drive belt and slip it off of the alternator. Remove the fan shroud. Remove the right side air box. Safely jack up and support the Cayenne. Remove the front under engine trays. Remove the front right wheel and the wheel well liner. Working under the vehicle, disconnect the wiring connection for the oil pressure control valve, red arrow. You do not need to remove the oil filter housing to do this. I needed to remove it to get you a picture. Disconnect the wiring connection for the oil pressure sensor. Please see our articles and videos for assistance on all of these previous procedures if needed. Use an E12 and loosen the two bolts holding the alternator to the mount. Do not remove these bolts, just loosen them 3 to 5 turns, red arrows. With the bolts loosened, tap them in with a hammer, red arrows. This will move the brackets that hold it in place back. Use a T50 Torx and a 16mm wrench and remove the upper engine brace indicated by the red arrows. Install Porsche Special Tool 9866 using the brackets hardware from the upper mount. Use a 17mm wrench and rotate the turnbuckle, red arrow, to give you more room between the engine and the fender. Remove the two bolts from the alternator, red arrows, and set the cable aside. Use a T50 Torx and remove the mount for the upper wiring harness indicated by the red arrow. Porsche states you do not need to remove the air supply pipe to the turbo, red arrow. I could not get enough access to my alternator with it in place, blue arrow, so I removed it. Wiggle and move the alternator so the rear of it points towards the opening in the wheel well, red arrow. If the alternator will not move, you did not tap the bolts in far enough. Reach in and disconnect the wiring connection from the rear of the alternator, red arrow. Pull back the cover on the cable and use a 13mm wrench to disconnect the cable. If you have not disconnected the battery and contact the wrench to the vehicle while doing this, you can cause serious damage to the vehicle's electronics. Work the alternator out between the mounts and lines and remove it in an upward direction, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Make sure to tap out the bolt bushings at least 4mm before installing the new alternator. Torque the 13mm nut on the rear and the mounting bolts to 27 Nm or 17 pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.